As we close off Nelson Mandela Month, the Eastern Cape Department of Agriculture proudly continues Madiba's legacy by changing lives through agriculture. Inspired by this year's theme, the department remains committed to empowering farmers, improving agricultural infrastructure, promoting food security, supporting women and youth in agriculture, strengthening animal and crop health, and creating sustainable livelihoods across the Eastern Cape. Every farmer supported, every project implemented, and every community empowered is a step towards building the just and prosperous society that Nelson Mandela envisioned. Together, we can grow a stronger, food-secure Eastern Cape while keeping Madiba's legacy alive through meaningful action. Lo myalezo ndiwuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.